Hi, I'm John Lloyd and this is 30 seconds on site with Toolbank, and today I'm showing you the DEWALT dual drive set. This 25-piece dual drive set from DEWALT includes a selection of 25 and 50mm screwdriver bits and also comes with a wide selection of quarter hex drill bits. Complete with a mag bit holder and TSTAK compatible tough case, this is a handy set for all trade and DIY enthusiasts.